So I'm Jonathan Wyner. I am the Education Director at Isotope. I am the Chief Mastering Engineer for NWorks Mastering Studios. I also teach I'm an Associate Professor of Music Production and Engineering at Berklee College of Music. The studio that we're sitting in is the critical listening and mastering room in the heart of the Isotope campus, if you will. When you're working in mastering, you have to choose tools that are of very, very high quality and high fidelity. That doesn't mean that sometimes we don't require creative or colorful solutions to problems or don't want to create some interesting sound, but we always want to have as much control as possible over every bit of distortion that we're adding or every bit of color. And then once you've done that, you don't want it to change. Most of the time, my approach is using a hybrid chain. I use DSP-based tools for what they're good at, and I'll use the analog tools for what they're good at in terms of the color. And so my first contact with the PQ was using an older version of the PQ with the motorized pots, and we brought it in over at Berklee College of Music, and I was kind of blown away. Both by the headroom, we measured the noise floor, and it dropped the noise in the analog chain by probably 15 dB, which is kind of amazing. There's a sense of dimensionality, sort of a three-dimensional sound stage, and a sense of depth in the sound that you get, and there's no edge unless you want edge. And so the minute I experienced that, I thought, well, I have to be using this. I mean, really, it kind of sold itself to me. And then, sort of beyond that, then there's the versatility of the tools. I mean, the compressor is amazingly versatile. The ability to change the behavior of the rectifier is a way of influencing the behavior of the compression circuit, or to change the influence of the tubes on the circuit in a way that's subtle and yet meaningful. So I can get more or less of the color. And the reason that I could justify the investment is that it replaced other devices in my rack. I mean, there were a couple of other boxes I had in my desk that have now moved out of my desk because this does what I need it to do as well as those two did. And dare I say, I think the signal path was better, so it does those things better for me.